Hi, I'm Ken Haedrich, Dean of the Pie Academy, Dean of the forthcoming site called the Good Cooks Academy, and I'm also the guy who's been bringing you these Simple Cooking for Hard Times newsletters. And I want to thank you for joining us today. You know, we have quite the little community of cooks who've rallied around this whole idea of doing our part to keep ourselves and our loved ones well nourished in these crazy times. There's more than 600 of us now, and I think that's wonderful. And I'd love to keep growing and reaching out to and helping other cooks. So please tell all your friends and family members about this newsletter and pass along the latest issue. So, do you have any idea what this behemoth might be? Well, probably not, so I'm going to tell you. This fat binder contains a good many of the clips of the hundreds of magazine articles I've written in the past 40 years for magazines like Real Simple and National Geographic Traveler, Better Homes and Gardens, Food and Wine, Bon Appetit, and at least a dozen other magazines. Now, my wife Bev assembled this for me years ago, God bless her, and we call this big collection Vintage Ken. Now, over the years, we've discussed and hit back and forth all sorts of ways that we might eventually make use of this collection. And recently it occurred to us that this might be a good time to pull out a few of the stories that have aged well and whose recipes are still in sync with our healthy way of eating now. I found one in particular that I thought you'd really enjoy, a story I wrote for Yankee Magazine, and I've repackaged it for you here. I also think it might bring a smile to your face, and that's something that all of us could use these days. So please, have a look at the story, download it if you want, and try these recipes when you get a chance. God bless and take care.